Hey, the purpose of this video is just a quick experience, testimonial through experience. So I'm in a little Jeep. I've got this on the keychain, which is symbolism for mastery and servitude, or for Meher Baba. I have the plastic base broke, but this is basically like the altar inside of the car. And then on the outside of the car, on each window, I have this. You can see one right there on the windshield. And there's one on this window, but it's rolled down. So I have one on the back window, right here, and no license plate. The car recently had insurance added to it, but out of survival, I have to drive this car to keep things moving for the trust. So I have trust obligations. In the backpack right now, I have the Liberty Aid Academy Trust. So if I do get pulled over, I've got obligations to the trust, and I'm a trustee of Jesus Christ. And I'm operating through this trust, so I'm always prepared to show them this. But I just wanted to quickly say that I was on the interstate in this vehicle, and I was using GPS, and it said that there was a speed trap ahead. And just a little side note, if I see a cop, I just deal with it if I'm driving this car. Trying my best not to live in fear, you know. So if there's a cop, I don't change my direction, I just keep driving. So I've passed several cops in this car. I've had cops go around me while pulling other people over. About an hour ago, I was on the interstate, and there was 2 highway patrol ahead of me, like 20 cars ahead of me, and one of them turned their lights on and pulled over a car, and the second highway patrol turned their lights on. So they both pulled over for this traffic stop. I got into the middle lane and then the left lane to give them space on the side of the road. And then after I passed them, I got back in the lane that's closest to the shoulder. And the second cop left that traffic scene and got on the highway really fast with his lights on and sirens and stuff. So I thought that I was getting pulled over in this car. The cop was coming up behind me with the lights on. Remember, I have no tag back there. I have insurance. I'm waiting on the registration, but I'm still not going to not drive the vehicle because the trust has to keep moving, you know. But the cop had his lights on the car and sirens, and then got up kind of close to me and then just went right around me. Sped ahead a few car lengths and then pulled over somebody else. And so all I could say is thank you, Jesus Christ, for the protect. Jai Meher Baba. Because anytime I get behind the wheel, I just ask for from the road pirates. And I'm not doing it to boast, I'm doing it out of necessity, and I'm also not breaking any law. The vehicle is privately leased to Life in a Body Ministries Trust, and I'm a trustee of that trust. This vehicle has insurance and soon a registration. For lack of better words, to just be under the radar, you know. It'll still be trust owned and trust maintained and whatnot, but yeah, I just wanted to share that because it's exciting, and you have to be prepared mentally if you're going to drive without a tag, just in case you get pulled over. But spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, I am prepared, and I have my trust with me. So those are the documents I present. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.